Dan Breslin here, Diamond Equity Investments. In just a moment, we're going to tour the property that we just recently rehabbed. Before we get started, if you have a property for sale, we buy houses, condos, we buy land, we buy commercial property, we buy apartment complexes, apartment buildings. We will buy the property with tenants in the property, tenants out of the property, good condition, bad condition, doesn't make a difference. Give us a call. So follow me. As you can see, fresh paint, we've done new floors, we've refinished the entire fireplace, and if you'll follow me, we'll head through to the bathrooms. This was a 2-bedroom townhouse. The bathroom obviously did not have the fit and finish that you're looking at now. Every one of the properties we decide to renovate gets a full grade A top-end renovation. And you can see this is a just renovated kitchen here. When we bought this property, it obviously did not look like this. The property was full of junk with a 1980s or so kitchen in the property. So like I said, we do buy properties as is. If you decide to sell a property to us, we will come by, take a look at the property, we make you an offer on the spot. You decide to move forward with us, we'll handle the title work, the paperwork, and the closing. Everything will be wrapped up in 30 days or less.